Hi, it's Abby. Um, my sister's over at my grandma's house. We're talking to my grandma, and I'm gonna do a song alone, and maybe we can do it right. All right, here I go. I let fall my heart, and as I fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true in the games you'd play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I'm with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, hold you near forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw a set to the flame. Well, it felt something died 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you cried must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw a set to the flames. Well, it felt something died 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Oh, oh no, oh, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn. Thanks for watching that. I'm Abby. Hi, Hannah. That's Hannah. She came in very quietly. Surprise. And maybe she'll do a song later on. And I hope you guys liked it. Sorry if I'm not the best, but Adele's like my idol. I love Adele. She's like my idol. And please comment and request. Nice comments. Thank you very much. Nice comments. Get out of the picture. Please, Hannah. Ow.